So, good and welcome to the second day of workshop, Vedic Mathematics, the magic of Vedic Mathematics. Again, like I told you in the first day, in the beginning, we all should applaud ourselves, pat ourselves. Similarly, a heartful gratitude to all of you again, and I would request the same thing. Pat yourself, motivate yourself, applaud yourself, and let's move toward the next step of learning Vedic mathematics. Yesterday we learned why Vedic mathematics. Very first thing, it increases speed 10 to 15 times faster, and that is everyone needs. Do you know why students, kids, children, they like video games? Because that has speed, and speed always thrill. Why do we have car races and all? It was test match, then 50-50, now 2020. Why? See, everybody wants speed because speed is what thrills you. So, first benefit of Vedic mathematics is it enhances your speed 10 to 15 times faster. The second was it reduces the burden of remembrance of tables. Now, with that technique, with what I told you yesterday, anyone can do or remember tables instantly and without any pressure on their mind. The third was reduces scratch work. So we don't need to have more of scratch work or rough work and avoid fingers, right? The movement of fingers which we use in abacus, that is reduced to a great extent. The fourth was it enhances concentration. And the reason I told you, yes, right brain, left brain activation, your visualization, your reasoning, your logics, all these add up to increase in concentration because you start finding the subject interesting. And when you start finding something interesting, you don't have to cram it. You don't have to mug up. And the last but not the least was it reduces silly mistakes because we don't have multiple carryovers in addition and multiplication, and we don't have borrow system in subtraction. See, these are not only the benefits. As I told you, what is Vedic maths? It is a journey of transformation from fear of mathematics to confidence. So that is again a benefit. The second I told you, it enhances with the feeling of yes, I can, and reduces math anxiety. You know, today if you talk to anyone, they start feeling anxiety. Oh, maths. So that anxiety is reduced. And the last button was it gives you the way to think. It enhances your skills to think in a different way. So that all what we learned yesterday, that was academically correct. Why Vedic maths? Because academically it has so many benefits. But this workshop is more than that. You all have done Vedic maths. What after that? As a teacher, why should you do at this age? Because of the opportunities which are connected with this subject. See, as far as if I talk about India, National Education Policy 2020, Vedic mathematics has been has to be implemented. So just think, if you walk down your lane, how many schools do you find? Similarly, in one village, how many schools? One, not even village, one area, one city, one town, and one state. You cannot even imagine the number of schools. So just think if they all start implementing this subject, Vedic mathematics, Because of NEP, how many new opportunities will come into existence? How many new people will be coming to this field? So this is an unimaginable number of opportunities. The very first thing is you can start Vedic maths classes right from your home, the way you are doing, Thanita. That is correct, but still, there are certain limitations which you are not right now taking into consideration, and that is why you might have not reached that level what you expected earlier. Second, you can open a training center. Yes, if you have financial funds, you can look for a commercial place and there you can start your coaching classes. You don't have to gather more things. Only Vedic maths can solve entire purpose. For students, class 3rd, 4th, 5th. Then for competitive academies, uh, students 9th, 10th, teachers, seniors. So everybody is your client if you think like that way. And if you think, no, I don't need any investment, I don't want to start it from my home, I don't want anybody to have, I just want a home tuitions kind of. Yes, after Corona, this has grown up like anything. People who have multiple kids or who have big families or apartments, they generally are calling teachers at their end. So home tuitions is also one such opportunity. Now these all three are individual opportunities, entrepreneurship. But there are people who want to know, I want a permanent job. Maybe I'm getting less or more, but I want a fixed salaries. So yes, jobs as a Vedic math teachers are coming every day. Now new session would be opening in April in North India and June in South India. You would see every school is looking for a teacher. Vedic maths is enhancing like anything. Everyone, every school is interested. The only thing is you need to guide them in a better way because they're still, we are lacking in facilities, we are lacking in teachers, we are lacking in trainers who are able to provide that training and more than that, books. And if you are already running such tuition centers or a competitive academy, then Vedic maths can be introduced as a additional component in your existing profession. Right? Any doubt, Rajat, Anita, Kamal? Any questions you have? So Sunday morning and all Sunday afternoon and all done. No issues. I'll just okay. Now I gave some homework. Yes, Anita, were you able to do it?
Yes, sir. I already have Facebook account, sir. Facebook account, Facebook page. So I didn't do that. Uh, I have worked
You
out the
you
sums.
you have Facebook file or you have a page?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm asking two different things. You have Facebook account that is called as profile, or you have a
Okay.
Facebook page.
Facebook page also. Last week I have created, sir, but I didn't complete it fully. I am not aware about Facebook thoroughly, so I am a little bit
You,
learning
see,
day by day.
you don't need to learn thoroughly. Facebook is the most easiest thing in the world now. See, if you have been
Okay, sir.
following, why I call it as why I okay. Before that, first was homework. I gave certain questions. Were you
Yes,
able to
sir.
do that?
So, I have completed uh, some half of the homework, sir, because I have cleaning work in home. So I didn't complete
Okay,
fully.
it was total 30 minutes job, not more than that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Chalo, no issues.
Uh,
See, that is what is, I told you yesterday also. One thing is I'll explain you later.
Okay.
Now, Facebook, I'll give, now, if you have created already, that is fine. Start posting in. Now, why I asked you Facebook account,
Yes, sir.
sorry, page. You might have seen till now, whenever you gave some advertisement, any post regarding Vedic maths or abacus classes, I saw something. And none of the people liked it, or very few. Correct?
Yes.
You know the reason. See, you are using Facebook profile. Profile means where your friends, your relatives are connected to you. Are your friends or relatives interested in your business?
No, sir. Actually, I have Facebook account, sir, but I won't use at all. Last week only, I want to know how to use.
Kanika, sorry, don't.
Yes.
I have seen in certain teachers that point. I don't want to use. Why? You know, till now you have not understood how much you can earn with this Facebook only, which is free of cost to you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'll tell you, I started my journey in the business in education 1997. And 1998, my budget was 8 lakhs per month. Yeah, but you know what? That was only limited to one city. Today, if I have to give one ad on Facebook, that is costing only 83 to 84 rupees. And that is covering entire India or even world.
Yes, sir.
So just think how powerful is Facebook. So I'm always happy that I'm saving money now. Compare 97 to here, 26 years have gone.
Yes, sir.
So if I am saving, that is the reason I feel this interesting. I feel this important. And when you say I don't use, see, you are not using because till now it is free of cost. Tomorrow, the day they will implement, yes, now you have to pay and use Facebook to post ads. Then you'll take my words, all will start posting.
Sure, sir.
Right? No issues. And just listen to him. If you okay, if voice is not properly audible because I think this see he is Syed Hussain from Nigeria, South Africa. So he joined. If you see the, I'll show you the dates. It was 2021 when he joined Vedic Maths, and after that, so he's a maths teacher in his school. Now, what has happened? I won't say his salary has increased. No, because Vedic Maths is compulsory in India, not in any other part of the world. But now the students are taking him with more respect. Why? Because he's able to give them easy techniques, easy methodology. So what he has gained? Popularity. And the after school tuitions have increased to 100 times. Parents, teachers, students, they have started following him. If you see my reviews also, he has given so many reviews on my posts. So just learning Vedic maths and implementing in the classrooms has given him so much of fame and money. Similarly, if you see, now this is Quora. Have you seen Quora? Do you know what is Quora? Yes, Rajat. Quora is a place where you post your questions and people answer you. I'm the most viewed writer in the world on this topic. It is showing 2360 views, but now it is more than 10,000. And from past 3 years, I'm on the top. You need to answer that time. See, it was 50 answers. Today it is around 200 something. 217 only on the topic of Vedic maths. The more you'll answer, the more you'll be connected to different people. They come up to you. It's not. That is the power of social media. You get connected to throughout the world. If you have seen my profile, I am taking sessions in Canada, I am taking sessions in Nepal. Yesterday, I had some meeting in Kazakhstan. So you need to understand the power of social media. See this girl. She's just ninth standard girl, Assam's Priyadashni Bora. And you know what happened? When she completed, she was the youngest trainer in the world. Leave world in India. She was training her juniors, seniors. If they can do, a person sitting so far from India, South Africa, a girl child, class 9, if they can do wonders by just learning this simple subject called Vedic mathematics, don't you think you can do? Yes, Hanita, Rajat, Kamal, can you do?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The only thing is regular commitment on your part. Perseverance. So hard work is only required. Okay, let's start with the exercises, mental. So the first topic we'll take today is finding the squares of the number. So what is a square? What is a square?
A number multiplied by itself.
Number multiplied. N here is how we did. And it is n into n, where n is the number. So that means one square is 1 into 1, 1. 2 square is 2 into 2, that is 4. This we all know. So we need to remember first 10 numbers. This is important. So you please write down 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square 9. Please write down this in your notebook. And with these 10 squares only, we'll find any number. We'll find square of any big number, whichever we want, with the help of just these numbers. This is one benefit of this table. Second important part is when we talk about square roots, even that can be done with this table itself. Square roots, it's really covered in class 8, and students find it difficult. They start finding factors. But you'll see in Vedic maths, we do it very simply. It is called as Vilokanam Sutra, by mere observation. Means by just by observing the number, you can tell what is the answer. Observation, that was yesterday I told you a word, visualization. So that is one and the same thing. Visualization or observation. Correct. So please write down. Once I have written, let me know.
Yes, sir.
Rajat, you're not answering. Kamal. Okay. Now, let's take a very small number. 23 here. And I have to answer, find the square within no time, very fastly also. And I don't want to do. Now, generally, what we know is we keep multiplying. to 9. Now, if I go with this, it always takes time and mentally we are not able to do. And again, we are not using the table which I told you we can use that table and find out. To see how we do it, Vedic maths, it's not only one way. See, in Vedic maths, I told you, you have multiple ways to solve the same problems. And if you see my books also, around 12, 13 methods have been given to find squares only. We find the square of the numbers individually. What is square of 2? 4. But I'll write 0. I make a habit in writing 2 digits. What is square of 3? 0, 9.
0, 9.
So this is your first step complete. Second step, there are 3 numbers now available, 2, 3, and 2. Multiply all together. 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 3 is 12. Just keep in mind, you don't have to write anything at unit place. Keep it empty and write the numbers and add it. Finish. So first is find the squares of the individual numbers. Second, multiply all the 3 numbers available. One more. 84. So 64, 16, and 8 4 the 32 into 2, 64. 7, 0, 5, 6. Finish. So many steps have been reduced. You are doing this step mentally. This you can do because multiplication, single digit number, you all are clear. You don't have to focus more. 67, 36, 49, and 84. 9, 8, 4, 4. Finish. Any questions? Any doubts? Yes, tell me. Kamal, is it clear?
No doubts, sir.
Okay, so we'll start practicing now. And yes, Kamal and Rajat, you also have to answer. So what is square of 18? What is square of 18? Simple. 1. 1 you can say 64 and 8 to the 16. 3, 2, 4. Yes. Did you get the answer, Anita?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again, what is the square of 24?
576, sir.
576. But, so simply 0, 4, 16 and 8 to the 16. Finish. See how easily you can do it. Square of 88. Yes, find out. Square of 88.
Seven, 744, sir.
7744. Yes. Kamal, what is your answer? No. 64. 64. And 64 into 2 is 128. So 4, 4, 7, 7. See how easily you can do it. Rajat, it is wrong. 7744, not 64. Okay. What is square of 93?
8649.
81. 09. 9 3s are 27. 27 2s are 54. So 8649. Any doubt now? Any doubt? Any question you have?
No, sir.
Is it easy now? Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
what is it? Digit, what is it for 75?
5625, sir.
5625. Now, all of you took some time to calculate this. I'll give you one more concept how to find out scares. So let's say 99. What is 99 square? Yes, 99 square.
9801, sir.
9801. Correct. Now see, if you observe what I was doing, I was doing A square, B square, and if this is the first digit A, this is second digit B, I was writing 2AB here. Correct. Now same thing. I can use balancing line. Let's say 87 is my question. One thing is, yes, 64, 49, and 87 the 56, 56 2 the 112. So 7, 5, 6, 9. This is correct. Now, same I can do like this. A square, if you remember, what is the formula of A plus B whole square? A plus B whole square is nothing but A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now, the same thing can be used here But the only thing you have to remember, A square, balancing line, 2AB, balancing line, B square. Means you have to be very careful. A square, then 2AB, and then B square. This is the formula which is derived during when we'll study complete Vedic maths. It is derived using a sutra called Anurupena Sutra, which means by ratio or by proportionality. So A square is 64, 2AB is 112, and B square is 49. Now we all know at one place value we can have only one digit. So 9 here, 4 goes here, it becomes 116. So only 6. 11 is moved further. So what is 11? 75. Did you understand? See, that I was using as a vertical format. Now I'm using in a horizontal way. Now, what is the benefit of this? See what happens when the numbers are like 82. Generally, students make a simple mistake. 2 squares of 4. They write this only. They don't write it into 2 digits. And then 16 twos are 32. This becomes wrong. But here, A square is 64. 16 to the 32, even if you write 04 or you simply by mistake write 4 also, then also there is no mistake at all. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Kamal. Did you understand? See, this is so that we should not make any silly mistakes. So we should be aware of all the methods. Now, same 99 can be solved here also. 9 square is 81. 162, 2AB, and 81. So 1 as it is, 8 goes here, it becomes 170. That means only 0. 17 is moved further, so 98. Clear? Any question? Any doubt?
No,
Yes,
no, sir.
Santa, any questions? Any doubts?
No doubt.
No. Okay. So I think 2-digit numbers are covered. Now, can this be extended? Yes. Let's say 102 here. So what I take A as 10 and B as 2. A as correct. So what is A square? 100. What is 2AB? 40. What is B square? 4. I'm not writing 04. Let's leave it. So 10404 is the answer. See how easily you can do it. The most easiest way. Now the question is something different. My question is, did you understand this? Yes, Rajat.
Yes, sir.
Can I have A as 1 and B as 02? Because this also I decided, no? So can I switch over A as 1 and B as 02? Yeah, tell me. Can I have this?
No, sir.
Why? Why so? Why do you think like this?
The place value differs, so
Your
I
voice is
think
breaking. Your voice is breaking too much.
we can't take like that.
Okay, let me give you another question then. 1, 2, 1. Here. I take A as 12, B as 1. So A square means 144, 24, and 1. So 1, 4, 1, 4, 6. Now can I take here as A as 1 and B as 21? Tell me. Yes, can I take it?
No, sir.
Why? You can take it. See, that is where we are lacking. See, always. Now see, A square means 1. 2AB means 42. And B square means 441. But here, please understand, till now, I said one digit at one place value. But when you are enforcing and making that unit place as two-digit number, so that means you can have two digits. So two digits here, this goes here, 4, 6, and because you are making it, see the magic of Vedic maths. Till now, I said only one person at one position. And I was using the concept single digit at unit position. But now, for the first time, I am doing that this is a two-digit number and I can have that. Do you understand this? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
That is important. Very interesting thing. You need to understand. It's not only that, yes, one is till now we were covering like that only. But now we have made it a fixed. When we are forcing it to one, the same here. A square 1, 2AB. So 2 into 0, 2 is 0, 4. And you have to write in two digits because your unit place digit is 0, 4. And here of this is also 0, 4. See the answer. 10404. Because now you cannot have this, you cannot take one digit at this position because forcefully you are making a unit place as two digit. Say, sir, yesterday you were saying one digit, one position. Yes, I still agree on that. But during calculation, to make our calculation easy, we do such things. I'll give you one simple example to this. 711. If I say A is equal to 71, B is equal to 1, one way is this. Another way is I say A is equal to 7, B is equal to 11, which is easy. Because to find out, sorry, 71. So to find square of 71, I have to again solve. But here I know 49, 2AB 77 into 2 is 154, and 11 is 121. So this goes here. So 21, 5, 5, 1 goes here. This is the answer. 505521. But to find out here, first I need to find this square. So 71 square I'll be finding in the separately. So 49, 14, 1. So that means 5041. First thing. So 5041 I'll write. Second 2AB means 142. Third 1. So this will go here. 5. Sorry, these two will 14 will go here. So 505521. Now which is easy? Tell me. First or second? Which is easy?
Second one, sir.
That is possible only and only if you understand that this can be done in another way. I told you it gives you the ability to think in a different way. Got it? This is a different way of thinking. Is it clear or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So see, there is nothing like no. Only thing, if whenever you feel no in maths or Vedic maths, just think maybe you are not aware of that concept. There is never no. Clear? Okay. Let's find out some more. Find out 136. Go for both the techniques. 136 here. Find out, please, fast. Both the ways you can do it. Kamal, 18496. Okay. Yes, Rajat. One 8896. Yes, Anita, what's your answer?
So 18256, sir.
Let's see. I think this is more comfortable for me. 36 would be difficult. So 13 square is 169. 6 square, I know 36. So I'm keeping this as single right now. 13 into 6 or 13 into 12. Yes, tell me what is 13 into 12? 156. 156. So this goes here. This is 6. This becomes 9. So how did you get 5? And 15 goes here, means 4, 8, 1. Is it clear now? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Yes, any questions you have? Tell me. Any questions you have?
No, sir.
One more. But this method is more easy for 2-digit numbers. For 3-digit numbers, it becomes sometimes tough. I'll give you one example. Let's do 248. Now see, if you take square of 24, that is also difficult. If you take square of 48, that is also difficult. But let's find out so that we should know how much tough it is. And then I'll give you one simple method to find this. Very simple. We have so many techniques to find out. Hmm. Yes, Kamal, what is this? 615055. Okay.
61504, sir.
Perfect. We took more than a minute. Correct. My last question in this topic, then I'll move to the next way. This is the first technique, but please understand this method is very helpful to two-digit numbers and few three digits which are near to 100. Let's try to solve this. And you can have a check how much time you are taking for this. Then I'll give you an easy methods today to check such questions again. I'll be back within 1 second, 1 minute. You can start doing this. Yes. What's the answer?
Sir, 998001, sir.
998001. Now this is perfect, but if you followed this technique, it took more than 2 minutes. And the same question we can do with number of techniques. If it is scales, then we have a method. If it is multiplication, then we have a method. And special type of multiplication, we have a different method. We'll do this again. Now, this was very difficult here. First was either we take 99 as A or B. So first was 99 square is 9801. Just now we did. Then what is 99 into 9 into 2? Yes. What was the answer? One 1702. क्या आएगा? तेरा कैलकुलेटर से किया था? One 782. So one here. If this goes, this becomes 1790. So 0, 179 put here, it becomes 998,001. Or even if you go 9 as A and 99 as B, then also 81, 1782 and 9801. So 01 here, 0 again, and this goes further, and I get 998. But this particular method takes time. Very shortly, we'll do another technique, how to do it in a simple manner. So this was the first topic, finding pairs of numbers yeah, we can say of two-digit numbers. Now the second method, the second technique we use is finding pairs of numbers which are ending with 5. So just now we did. If you remember, we did some questions on this, one question on this. That was, I did 85, 75 scale. But it was taking too much of time. 75 scale we did. It was 49, 35 into 270, and then clear. Is it correct? 25. Now the same thing you can do in an easy way. So numbers ending with 5 are 15 square, 25 square, 35 square, 45 square, 55 square, and so on. So easy we can do. Just remember, the last answer is always 25. Everywhere. 5 square is always 25. And if it is 1, I again use Ikadikena Purvena in this. But how do I use? Here I multiply this 1 with the next number. Means add 1. So what comes after 1? Yes, Rajat, what comes after 1? Sanita, what comes after 1?
So two, sir.
So what is 1 into 2?
2.
2. So the answer is 225. Here it is 2. What comes after 2? 3. 2 into 3 is 6.
6.
3 into 4, 12. 4
12.
into 5, 20.
20.
5 into 5, 6.
30.
See, mentally you are able to solve within seconds. So what is 65 square?
4225.
Very good. 4225. What is 75 square?
5625.
5625. And this we were solving so much, taking so much of time earlier. No issues. 85 square. 8 nines
7225.
are 72. 25. 95 square.
9025.
Perfect. See how fast you're doing. 105 square. So 10 into 11 is 110. 25. If it is 115 square, so 11 into 12, we studied yesterday, 132, 25. Finish. If it is 125, just now we did 12 into 13 is 156. 25. Any, you're taking just fraction of seconds to answer these. 135 square. So what is 13 into 14? That is 182. 25. 145 square. So what is 14 into 15? That is 210. 25. Finish. Any question now? No, but just think why it is happening. See, you should know always, whenever you are teaching something, you should know why it happened. Because students might ask you. And even if students don't ask you this way, maybe they are not getting, they are not understanding. So just remember the formula again. A square, 2AB, B square. Clear? Now I'm saying it is ending in 5. So B means 5. So A 5 square means A square. B is 5. So that means 10 A. And B square means 25. Now this is 10A. Position of A is 10. If I shift here, it becomes A square. And here I'm bringing 2. A square plus A. Here I'm bringing 2 and 5. So what is A square plus A? A square plus A. I'll write down again. A square plus A. And here it is 2. Here it is 5. What is this? A into A plus 1. And since they are 1, 1, you can directly write 25 also. So A is your number. And you're multiplying with 1 more. All the formulas can be, you can get it. You need to understand this. Now is it clear? Yes. Tanita, Kamal, Rajat, any doubt, any question you have?
No, sir.
Okay, just solve one more. 155 square. 155 square. So what is 15 into 16? You have to increase speed. 15, 16. So in other words, 160 plus
240.
240. 5. Got it? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, similarly, you can do the squares of numbers ending with 1, numbers ending with 4, numbers ending with 6, numbers ending with 25. There are so many such concepts. But I'll not give you that today. I'll give you one very important universal technique. If you remember, now this is very important, very easy. And this is also based on an algebraic formula. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A plus A minus B. So we'll use that. I took the number 23 square initially. I wrote 4, 0, 9, and 12. 29. Or then I did 4, 12, 9, 529. These two methods I adopted. Correct? Now I'll give you one more concept on this. 23 is my number. My target is, can I remove this 3 and make it 0? How can I do it?
20 plus 3, sir.
See, I'm saying my number is 23. So don't. Now 23, 3 you have to change there.
Minus 3.
Minus 3. Right. So this becomes 20. Now I subtracted. So the number I subtracted, I should add also. Becomes 26. Now I'll just multiply these two end results. So what is 26 into 2?
52.
5, 2, 0. See, the purpose of bringing 0 here was to make the calculation very easy. 26 into 2, 52, everybody can do it. 0, put it at, and then to that add whatever is the square of this or this. So 3 square is 9, 5 to 9. But again, one student is sitting at the back. He said, sir, 23 plus 7 is 30. You said we want 0. So this is also correct. Yes, he is also correct. Plus 7, I made it 30. Whatever is added, it has, see, whatever subtracted, it has to be added. Here, whatever added, so it has to be subtracted. Now, what is 16 into 3? 480 plus square of this. So how many ways you got it? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now, you took so much of time in finding out 999. Now, here it is a very single second. Plus 1, it becomes 1000. Minus 1, it becomes 998. So 998 into 1000, you everybody knows 998 and put 3 zeros. And square of 1 is 1. Finish. See, without any calculation, you got the answer. There you were finding 9 square. Then you found 99 square. Then you multiplied 9 into 99 into 2. That was 1782. And here you got nothing by doing just adding and subtracting 1. So is it easy?
Yes, sir.
Very unique method and very powerful. Okay, find out. 1, 1. Okay, 102 you did. Find out for 102 only. Found out. Let's see. So subtract 2, add 2. 100 and 104. So 104, 00. And square of 2 is 4. So 10.
10404.
Okay, do it for 112. Yes, what's the answer?
12544, sir.
So is it tough now?
No, sir.
118. Find out. 18 square you should know. Now here sorry, I'll again repeat. Here there are two options. People say you ask her to remove this and put 0 and they do 110. 114. And then multiply this. See, it is 11, so you can easily multiply 11 into 114. So that would be 1, 2, 5, 4, 0. But it's not, there is no limit key how many zeros. If you take this way, minus 12, 100. Now this is more easy. So 12400 and 12 square is 144. Clear? So don't make it, sir, you said only put 0 at the unit place. No, if you are able to make 100,000, that is also very good. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, find out one more. 187 here. Yes, what is the answer? 187 means adding 13, it gives you 200. Subtracting 13 gives you 174. So 2 into 174 is again easy. 3, 4, 8. Correct. And two zeros after this. 13 square is 169. So 3, 4, 9, 6, 9. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
You're not doing. You have to do it
Yes.
also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let's move to the bigger number. Let's say 5015 here. Can we do this? So what is 15 square? 225. Just understand this and you can do it. Yes, what is the answer? So 5015 means subtract 15 means 5,000. Now this you need you should understand what is my
5150
5 5030.
5030, sir.
So it cannot be 5. See, multiplying with 5 means now this would be 0, 5, 1, 5,
2515.
25. So 25150 and then 3 zeros. And 15 is 225. This is your answer. 25150 Got it.
Yes, sir.
Work on this. Any questions now you have? Just do. I'll get water and then we'll move further. So any questions now?
No, sir.
No. So before, okay, I'll shift. So again, you can download the notes, whatever you want.
So where to download it, sir? I can't download.
You logged into that, then you go to the featured option. So you have pages, you have content regarding that topics.
Okay.
You signed in the group, now. In the group, there is option of featured.
Okay, sir.
There you get it. And you see so many students have done homework. Okay.
Okay.
So this is how we did 23 square, 59 square. You can do it now. 65, 98, any question now you can do it. And then numbers ending with 5. So it was Ikadikena Purvena, the same sutra which we used yesterday for tables. But utilization is different. And that's what I said. You need to understand this thing. This was a universal method, and 4 minus 4 in 26, we did 23. 52, 97, so we did 112 and all, 213, 112. Yes. So now we'll see cubes. But before that, let me tell you why I asked you to make a Facebook page and not a profile. I'll give you the difference. If you see, there are three things in Facebook. Why Facebook I am emphasizing more, it is the most simplest one. You can do easily. So one is your profile, one is your page, and one is group. Profile is where you have friends. If you see, there is a friend list. You like, you but the limitation is 5,000 friends only. You cannot make more than this. Now, once that 5,000 is done, you cannot add more people to you. And using Messenger, you are able to do. But a different is page. Now, a page is created by a profile person only. Behind every page, there would be one admin. So that has to be related with one profile. But what is the benefit of page? Page is like your office. See, sometimes you cannot take classes at your home. So what do? You make an office so that people can walk in, you can talk to them, you can do it. Similarly, page is like a virtual office. There you have the option of location. You have the option of reviews. You have the option of jobs. You have the option of everything. And here, it is not trends. It is more likes, more following of that page. And but in both these cases, you are only writing on your feeds, means you are only writing on your dashboards. But group is a place, it is public or private, where other people can also participate and they can also write. For example, I gave you a group yesterday. Though that is a private group, but you can. So where you logged in, you took the permission, and now you can write on that group. And there are certain public groups where you can automatically write. Correct. But the benefit is if you want to do something advertisement, if you want something regarding your business, please remember, neither you are bothered about the business of your friends, relatives, nor they are. So to run a business, see, if you're running a Vedic past classes, that is not a personal thing, that is your business. If you put a picture spending days in Lakshadweep or anything, Shimla, or celebrating this, people will like your profile. People will like that post. You'll get 100 likes also, comments also. But the moment you'll put learn Vedic maths in your profile, nobody will at least like also. Give proper place to the proper purpose. And for that, we need page only. Now you see, I've got more than 17,000 followers, but I don't have 17,000 friends. Got the point? So need to understand that point. Followers and friends are different. So that is the reason I say make your page, get the reviews, ask for the reviews. All my students who have done from before, they're earning now a very good amount because they have followed the steps, and you need to follow the same. Is it clear? Any question you have, you can ask me regarding anything now. Then we'll do the next topic. So if you have any questions, queries, you can ask please.
So in page, what should we should post, sir? Whether we have to work out the problems like that, we have to post it, or what to do?
Both the things. Both the things. See, problems also you have to post. You have to advertise also. Advertise means promoting your project. See, like for example, what is the benefit of Vedic maths? You can post like that also. And to make your page popular, you have to invite all your friends there to like, so that they become a part of, they also, because initially you need to grow that. Huh? I don't know how much, you can share me your page, I'll tell you the strength. How much number of members are there, what is the visibility. That is important, otherwise there are so many people doing, but if you're not putting your efforts in the right way, you'll not get the success. Got it? If you can share me your page, I'll just guide you out, right? Anytime you can write down on WhatsApp. If I'm free, I'll be taking your call and I'll explain you.
Okay.
So let's move to the next topic. That is finding cubes. Now, as we discussed, finding squares of the numbers, similarly cubes. So what is a cube? A number multiplied by itself 3 times. So cube of 1 is 1. Cube of 2 is 8. 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Into 2 is 8. Cube of 4. 4 into 4, 16 into 4, 64. Correct. So please write down this. And again, it is very useful when you do cube roots. Done? Written? Okay. So coming to cube root. Now to make it more interesting, more easy, I'll divide. Okay, let me start. So we'll find the cubes of two-digit numbers first. Yes, Tanita, are you there? Rajat, Kamal. To make it interesting, that means we have to start from 10 to 99. 10 we already know, that is 1000. We'll start with 11 to 99. To make it more interesting, I'll divide these numbers into four types. First type, numbers starting with 1. So what are the numbers starting with 1 from 11 to 99? Kamal. So that are 11, 12 up till 19. Number 2, numbers ending with 1. Now, ending with 1 means again 11 also, 21, 31, 41, 81, and 91. Third, numbers having both digits same. So again, what are the digits? Again, you can say 11 also, 22 also, 33 also, 44 and 99. The last, other than these, so other numbers. Now, if you see, observe all this, so up till 11 to 19 already done, 20 already done, because 20 is just cube of 2, adding 3 zeros. 21, 22 done, so 23 is left. 24. And if I say up till 98. Yes. Up till here, any question you have?
No, sir.
Why I am dividing these numbers? You'll see how easy it becomes. Let's take the first case, number starting with 1. And let the first number be 12. Now, till now, what we have been doing is 12 cube means we'll multiply 12 into 12 first. Because we don't have other way. So 24, then 120. So 144 is my put. Again, I'll go for 144 into 12. And I'll say 882 1440. So 1728. So that means 4 times I'm performing multiplication and twice I'm performing addition. Correct? Any doubt on this? But for a small number, it is okay. But when the numbers become bigger, these calculations become tough. How do we do in Vedic? A very simple step. Create 4 spaces. This is first step. Is it difficult to create? Second, write 1 on the first, 2 on the second, because I am finding out for the 12. Can you all do it? See how interesting it is. 1, 2. Now, third step, find the square of 2. What is square of 2?
4.
4. Write down here. Find the cube of 2. This is here.
8.
8. So at fourth step, I have 1, 2, 4, 8. Now, the first 3 steps are just a game. Fourth step is I'll double these middle terms. Double means multiplying with 2 or adding again. That means 2 double is 4, 4 double is 8. Now add everything. You have the result. 1728. I'll take one more example. First, write down if you have not written. Once you have written, let me know. Second, let's say 15 cube. I'll not write 4 steps. First, 1, 5. What is square of 5? 25. What is cube of 5? 125. Double the middle terms. 10, 50. Add it. 1, 15, 75, 125. Balancing line. 5. 12 goes here, becomes 87. So 7. 8 goes here, 23. 3. 2 goes further, 3375. I told you balancing line. Everything you can do with the balancing line. Today in the scales also you saw that. And now in cubes also you're doing the same thing. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So find out for 13 cube. What is the answer? 13 cube. What is 13 cube?
Two one nine seven.
2197. Correct. So how much easy it is? One last you can do. 18 cube. So you know square of 8 is 64. What is cube of 8? We wrote down. What is cube of 8? 51. So then write the table.
512, sir.
That's now do it. Complete it. So what is 18 cube?
Five eight three two, sir.
5832. Very good. So this is clear. Now comes the
Yes, sir.
second. Numbers ending with 1. So again, 21. If you have to solve 21 cube, you will do 21 into 21. That is 441. And then again 21. So again, 4 times multiplication, twice addition. But here we will not do that. Again, create 4 spaces, which I'm just explaining you for the first, then I'll not. Now earlier, what you did, you started with 1. Now 1 is at the back end. So start from back. 1, 3. So what is square of 2? 4. What is cube of 2? 8. So what I have? 8, 4, 2, 1. Double it. 8, 4. So what is this? 1, 6, 2, 9. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this? Any question you have?
No, sir.
So easy.
Yes, sir.
But this is not easy for the students. So if they are not clear, because this comes in 8th class, and there, if we teach them such easy concepts, because I remember I had one student from 8th standard, and when she told me, sir, my teacher took 5 minutes, I took 5 seconds. And that question was 21 itself. Anyhow, see, 41. So 1, 4 means 4, 16, 64. So 32, 8. Balance 1, 12, 48, 64. So 1, 2, 9, 6, 8. Done?
Yes, sir.
So please try with 51 cube, sorry. Written 132651.
133,051.
They have given 132651. Let's check. 51. So first is 1, 5, 25, 125, 50, 10, 1, 15, 75, 125. So 1, 5, 6, 7 goes here. 25 plus 7 is 32.
Sir, I have done the mistake.
Where?
So instead of writing 15, I have written 55. Just
No issue.
writing mistake.
Here now. Any question you have?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So easy.
Easy, sir.
Now third comes when both the numbers are same. I'm not taking 11 as the case right now because that's the most easiest one. Let's put it 22. You tell me how it will be done. I've taught you numbers ending with 1. I taught you numbers starting with 1. Now what should we do? Yes, tell me. How will we do this? Yes, tell me. Okay, I'll give you. There are 4 spaces. Yes, Anita, Rajat. There are 4 spaces.
Yes, sir.
What is cube of 2?
8, sir.
Write 8 at every position. Double it. 8, 4, 6, 10. Finish. If it is 33, what is cube of 3? 27. So 27, 27, 27, 27. If it is cube of 4, 44, 64, 64, 64. Tell me, is it difficult?
No, sir.
Most easiest one. So yes, find
Yes,
out for
sir.
33 cube first. What is the answer for 33 cube? Tell me.
35937.
So is it difficult?
No, sir.
Last. So find out 88 cube. So what is the cube of 8?
512.
So 512, 512, 512. Let's see how much fast you can do. Okay, one has done. Raja. Yes, Sarita. What's your answer?
The 68147.
68147.
2.
Correct. Now tell me any question you have. Any question you have here?
No, sir.
So very easy methods. Last. Now, if it is anything which is not last one, 23 cubes. Now here you need to remember one formula. The formula is a cube, a square b. See, keep on decreasing the value of a and increasing b. A b square and last b cube. A cube, a square b, a b square, and b cube. If you remember, after this we add the middle terms, double the middle terms. So, but doubling means 3a square b. This is what we do. So if I see this becomes what is this? This is your old algebraic formula. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b, or you can separately write also 3a square b or 3ab square. The same algebraic formula are derived in Vedic mathematics, but we have a different technique. Now, how to use it? Did you understand? So just remember this simple thing. A cube, decrease one a square, and add b. A square b. Then a, b square. Then a also gone. B cube only left. Now see this. Let's say first number is 23. So a cube, a square b, a b square, and b cube. So here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. You put the values. What is a cube? Yes, what is a cube?
8, sir. 8, sir.
A square b. So 2 into 2, 4 into 3?
12, sir.
1.
12, sir.
Well, yes. What is AB square?
18.
18. What is B cube?
27.
Perfect. Double. 24, 36, 27, 54, 36, 8. So that is 7, 6, 1, 12. Finish. Please write down it so that we should be very clear about it. Done? Yes, Kanita, is it done or not?
Sir, I didn't get the what question you told, sir. Your voice break that time. Network issue, sir. Can you repeat the question, sir?
This is clear or not?
This method is clear, sir. Did you give me any other question to work it out, sir?
No.
Because
Now I'll not
some
give you.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, you can start
This
with
method is clear.
34. 34 cube. Now you can find out. A cube is 27. B cube is 64. Yes, yeah, B is, what's the answer?
Three 3930.
Correct? Any question now? Okay.
No, sir.
Now, just observe. Observe the problem. First case, I took 12 as a number. And if I say I'm taking this formula, so what is A cube? 1. What is A square B? 2. What is A B square? 2 into 2, 4. And what is B cube? 8. I followed a concept said was A as it is, B as it is, then square of B, then cube of B. So why I use that? So that, see, you want to generate interest also in the class. It's not only you have to calculate everything using formula. And moreover, if question is coming 12, why should we use formula? Similarly,
Yes,
it was 21. Now 2 cube is 8. A square is 4. It is 2 and 1. But what I did, I started from the opposite side. I said first 1, then 2, then square of 4. both the results are same. You can process all the first three cases with the formula. But again, the point is we need to create more options for the students, because until unless they are given different ways to think, they will not be able to understand everything. That was 22 cube. Now see, you see, if A and B are same, it is A cube, it would be A cube, it would be A cube. So right, cube of 2 everywhere. So that means this formula can be universally applicable to all the numbers, but we segregated into 4 types. That was just for one purpose, so that the students can generate interest in the subject. Clear? Any questions you have?
Yes, sir.
This is the difference. We always have a general trick. This is what we have been following in mathematics. We have been implementing mathematics, overpowering mathematics. Do like this only, that's all. No, you need to give different options to your students. Correct, to generate the confidence in the students. That is, so first class when we take for the students, it should be how to check your answers, how to verify answer, whatever you have done in your life till now, the calculation part, they should understand how to check that. So that again, see, work on only one thing to generate the confidence and motivate the students. Once they feel positive, you get more job, more work. People would be more associated to you. Don't focus only on completing the course. Focus on developing a child who is full of motivation, who is full of confidence. Any questions now you have? So I'll tell you very briefly, since 5 minutes are only left. See, I take teacher training batches and I have 6 steps. I think I have shared you all the details earlier also. If not, I'll just give you, I have 6 levels. And these, I take it as classes every week. Either it is Monday, Wednesday, or Friday, 3 days a week, or Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. I'm not taking only weekend classes right now. Earlier, it was only Saturdays and Sundays classes also. So right from the beginning, introduction to Vedic mathematics, terminology use, convergence of vinculum number, a very important topic. This is step 1, where you learn so many different concepts. And then step 2 starts with your multiplication. Step 3 starts with your, again, multiplication, different types. So many kinds of multiplications we can do in Vedic maths. It's not only single method multiplication, what we follow in normal or conventional mathematics. Here you can do mentally. And apart from that, 4th deals with all the squares, cubes, like we did today also. Then algebra is also added. So 12, 13 methods of scaling are there. Correct. 5th deals with more of division part, which is considered as the most toughest part. But no, with Vedic maths, it becomes very simpler. Fractions, HCF, LCM, Kevalam, Saptam, Gunyat, and so many other division methods. And the last, we deal with cube roots, square roots, divisibility, magic squares, calendars, and quadratic equations, polynomial equations, and so on. Right. So this is a 6-step concept which I generally train and take 3 months to complete this. So that you can discuss if anytime you feel you can need that, right? Any question now you have? Yes, Tanita. Rajat, now you can speak. You have been interacting only on chat, so now you can speak. Yes, Anita. Any questions? Anything you want to ask?
So totally 6 levels were that, sir?
See, very first thing,
In
there are
Vedic
no, no. I'll tell you, there is nothing like level. Level government decides.
Okay.
Till now, no government has decided the
Yes.
curriculum. See, I am director at Vedic Mathematics at Madhav University. Again, we are not giving levels. It is certificate course, diploma course. In Kathmandu University, also I'm giving certificate course. This is several private people. Since they have written 2 books, so they say 2 levels. Somebody has made videos 4 types, 4 levels. So it's nothing like levels.
Okay.
So I have called it as steps. My certificates are nationally and internationally accepted because internationally also accreditations of 2 major bodies, and nationally it is ISO, it is with MSME industry, it is with Ministry of Commerce, it is with so many government bodies. Correct. And more than that, I give the opportunity to earn. All my students, see, whenever you join me, that means you get an opportunity to have a live lectures. Live does not mean Zoom. It means physically live at your place also. Once I visit there also, we will connect with different schools so that we can have sessions in your city. So you can share me your city details. I'll share you schools over there who are looking for collaboration. So you can go visit them, represent me, and you'll get the orders. Right? So we can have touch-ups in the current session, and we can share them with the books also. We have all solutions for teacher training programs. Right? Anything else? Right. So have a great evening ahead. Thank you very much. If you still have any questions, please do write, and I'll definitely try to solve all your questions. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay,
Thank you, sir.